RBA just hit the pause button. Now, many banks, many economics, they start predicting the rates may go up next year and the property price may fall down. And when they find the good deals, they're always ready to secure it. Property price will crash. Property price will go down by 20, 30, 40%. In Australia, we are very, very far behind in building a new home. They will put pressure on the existing properties. Rent price will go up. When the rents go up, investor think it's a good cash flow. May fall down. Now, they will try to. Smart investors, they don't wait for rate cuts. Because the fundamentals are really good, they will definitely be ahead of making money in the property in that area. RBA just hit the pause button on the rate cut again. They did not choose to reduce the interest rate. And I was like, okay. Now, many banks, many economics, they start predicting the rates may go up next year and the property price may fall down. And I was like, no, that's not always how it works. Many people think no rate cut means no property growth. That's not always true. In this video, I'm going to break down what really drives the property market and why smart investors are not always waiting for the rate cuts or property price to crash down before they buy. They're always ready to find the good deals, and when they find the good deals, they're always ready to secure it. So first of all, let's look at it. Past example of 2023 when RBA started increasing the interest rate. They increased it about like 5 times in a single year. Every single headline was saying, property price will crash. Property price will go down by 20, 30, 40%. How many suburbs do you know that property price gone down 20, 30%? I personally do not know any single suburb that gone down 20, 30% in a year. So crash does not happen that way. It's not just the interest rate that drives the property market. Of course, interest rate plays a good role in increasing the property demand and reducing the property demand. But real price is not just because of the interest rate. It's more like a psychological behavior of the buyer as well as big parties, supply and demand. It's a simple logic. If the supply is low, demand is high, the price will definitely go up. And in Australia, we are very, very far behind in building a new homes. In past few years, the new home approval is getting low and low and low in majority of the areas, and supply is not that much. Demand is still there, interstate migration in many areas, overseas migration. So we are not able to catch up with the demand. So naturally, they will put pressure on the existing properties, and that drives the market. That drives the property price. Same with the rent. Most of the areas across all over Australia, the rental vacancies are below 2%. Only Melbourne has higher rental vacancy, 2, 3, 4, 5%. Sometimes even 6, 7% vacancy rate. Apart from Victoria, majority of all the suburbs have rental vacancy very, very low. What this means is the rent price will go up. When the rents go up, investor think it's a good cash flow for them. They will go there in that suburb. They will try to buy them. The demand increases in those areas. The price will again increase. Now, smart investors, they don't wait for rate cuts. They don't wait for property to crash. They say, okay, here there is low supply. I do not see any new land coming up here. Demand is there. Demand is going to increase for whatever reason, XYZ numbers. They buy because eventually the rates will go down, and because the fundamentals are really good, they will definitely be ahead of making money in the property in that area. So what I'm trying to say is, if you are in the market to buy a property, to buy investment property, and if you are not sure which area to buy, if you're not sure after you buy the price will go down, go up, you need some help figuring it out, right? We at Amplify Assets, we are buyers agent. We help everyday Australians to make a strategy for their property investment. We buy the asset that suits their need, and we help them build property portfolio and achieve financial freedom faster. Reach out to us, link in the description below. Looking forward to meeting you. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Priyank Patel.